what's up guys, it's Sherlina and I'm back with another vlog. It's been a while, but before we get to today's vlog, I want to give a huge shout out to our sponsor, which is the Check app. Patrick's right here already bringing in some of our new sneakers that we got. You already know the Check app. I've showed you the Check app in previous videos. It's one of my favorite, most used apps. The Check app is an app where you can authenticate your sneakers. Since I own many different sneakers, not all of them are from an official retailer. So every single time when I get a new sneaker, I legit check them with the Check app. As I told you, we have a few new sneakers here. I'm gonna pick one out and show you a quick and easy process on how to legit check your sneakers.
There's a few.
Couple new trainers that we're gonna check. I just got the Yeezy 700 V3 Kyanite. I'm just gonna take you with me to sneaker legit check them. So I've just opened the Check app. What I love the most about this app is the explore page. You know, you can just scroll down and see their previous sneaker checks and you can compare them with sneakers that you have. But I would always recommend to do your own check. So now we're gonna do a new check. So I'm clicking on new check since we have Yeezys. 700s. There are also product image examples if you don't know how to take these pictures. Then we're gonna take the necessary pictures. So guys, I've taken all of the necessary photos. I'm gonna submit them now and I'm selecting 30 minutes. That's totally reasonable. It's like $3. If you've never used the Check app before, make sure to use my personal discount code, which is SHERLINANYM. With that, you can check one pair for free. I'm also going to write everything down in the description box. I know I say this all the time, even though I've selected 30 minutes, it literally has been 1 minute or maybe 2, and I've already have my result. And luckily, they are a pass. So now I can wear them, I can post them confidently because I know they are legit. I'm gonna make sure to link everything about the Check app down in the description box, so make sure to check them out, download the app and get your sneakers legit checked.
The following Thursday.
Good morning, people. It's your boy P. Shirley's birthday today. I've got like some balloons and stuff coming in. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, yeah, when it's my birthday, she makes this place look so sick. And I'm just thinking, how do you do all of these things? Like, it's got like a little shimmer, you know? I saw her do this with me last year, so I wanted to match it. You know what I'm saying? So literally, I'm just waiting for the balloon people to come and fill this place up. Then she's gonna come down. Then we're gonna open up presents. Then we're gonna have some breakfast. So I'm gonna get her some French toast. I know she likes that. Have a little vibe. What can we do? Quarantine birthday part 4. Okay, so full effect, my people. Dream Balloons London is here. Nice. The setup is going wild. So we got a rose gold setup today. Guys, it's her birthday. She's doing a whole cycling class. Peloton family. Preparing, you know what I mean? Vodka, barley, vodka, pineapple, some flowers. Guys, listen, yeah, I'm so pissed because we always get the same cakes every single time. Anyone's birthday, we get the same cakes. Guess who tried to go and do something different and failed? So I had to call up our usual spot. I said, listen, it's an emergency. Luckily, they had one nice cake. Birthday girl! Look at her hair. Beaut, what a beaut. What a beaut. This is her new mirror, so.
Wow! I did not see this. This is looking so amazing. The balloons are so pretty.
You like it, yeah?
Wow, these balloons are so nice. Good choice.
Good choice.
Guys, I was on the bike and my friend FaceTimed me. And you know when you just want to walk somewhere and Patrick wasn't here, so I wanted to open the door and then I looked on the floor and I saw a present. I was like, oh my days. But I swear on my life, I didn't look out. I did not see this at this. Wow, it's a balloon party here.
Nice party over here.
So can I go into the kitchen?
Yeah, you can go in the
to
kitchen.
look at the cake? Wow.
Guys, cake is on the way. I ain't taking no else today. None. It's coming.
Wow, this is really pretty.
Yeah, I thought you might find this interesting.
I'm not gonna lie to you, but these balloons are so beautiful.
You like them, birthday girl?
Yes.
Don't worry. All right, come. I need to show you something. Come.
Okay.
And your balloon says "Happy Birthday, Sherlina."
Wow. What do you have to show me?
What do you think of my rapping skills?
Wow.
I did it so that I can match her hair, guys.
This is cute.
Tell me. I did this myself.
Let me show them a close-up.
Look.
Oh, it's matching the hair.
It's matching the hair, guys.
Nah, this is very thoughtful, you know.
So, guys, yeah.
Whoop whoop.
We got the bang bang cake. It's here. It's ready.
Oh my God, it looks so pretty. Oh, I love them. How can a cake be this pretty? I have only seen the top, you know.
Nah, it's too nice.
Candle with love, babe. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my God, it's making me emotional.
Guys, Sherlina's just getting parcels left, right, and
Oh
center.
God, you know what? Shout out to my girl Yen. Flowers.
Shout out to Yen. You get what I'm saying?
So beautiful. I need to buy more vases. So where am I putting all of them?
I know I keep saying this, yeah, but look,
Nah,
the wrapping
this is the
is
cutest.
matching the hair.
Come on.
It requires effort, planning.
You know what? Let me not be greedy and open the card first. Guys, I'm so nervous.
Okay, guys, we'll be back soon.
You know what, guys? We've been so active today that I even forgot to show you guys the gifts that I got. But I think I'm gonna do this in a peaceful moment because right now we're about to turn up. But it's already 7 p.m. Where did the day go? And I'm still sober. Let me show you the grub. You know we always have good food. We have some shrimp fried rice, some honey glazed chicken. I mean, look at that. Then we have some Peking duck with the hoisin sauce. And then we have some festivals. My girl Ling is over here. She just came to join the party. We're all gonna turn it up. Here's the turn up crew already.
This mix is hitting!
This mix is hitting!
Listen, this mix is slap.
This is how we calling it. Okay, so we have the tropical fruit, the apple strawberry, apple mango juice, the syrup, and then the Roberta Cavalli.
Pineapple, Cavalli vodka. You know what it is, guys, yeah? You see when you're like having a night, yeah? You have to have a quick one just to warm up your system, like.
If I take a shot, we all gonna take a shot.
Mixologist, is that work?
1, 2, 3.
Hey!
Es brennt Todes. Es brennt. For my German people, es brennt, it's burning.
Later.
So Patrick, tell me, how is it so far, huh?
You know when like, you can't see straight, but you know the vibe I'm warning, like, that's what's going on right now, you know what I'm saying?
Who's next?
Man like Lynn in the cut, you know what I'm saying, fam? Man like Elsito, you know what I'm saying, fam? Man like Young CEO, man like J.R., man like Skittles, man like Liz, man like Nim, you get what I'm saying? Your birthday, girl, what you saying?
I had a very great birthday tonight, honestly.
We love you.
I felt like I was, you know, in a club. I'm too drunk to be emotional.
Happy birthday,
Wow.
dear Sherlina.
Oh, that's right.
Happy birthday to you.
You know?
Guys, look at the cake.
Hey, you know, so silly. Everyone's taking off. Now everyone's dancing again, I don't get it.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you, baby.
Happy Easter Sunday, guys. Another day. I'm not gonna lie to you, my birthday was on Thursday and it knocked me out completely. That's why I couldn't vlog on Friday and I couldn't vlog on Saturday because I was just hungover from like 1 drink and 2 shots. Me and Patrick are off to my mom-in-law's house for some food, and a little birthday celebration once again. I put on something so simple. I'm wearing these Ivy Park joggers that I've never had on. I actually still even have the tag here. And I noticed that me and Patrick's outfits are matching. I have to give it to him that he put on his outfit first, and maybe I was inspired unintentionally.
I can't believe it. Sherlina's been out of bounds for the whole weekend.
For the whole weekend.
Because she's so old she can't drink anymore.
Look, we almost have the same thing on. I've received so many flowers on my birthday. Got this from my mom-in-law, so cute. I have received these flowers, so cute. I still have this one right here. Then I have this one right here. Then I have some more flowers over here. And even more flowers here. What are you packing here? He's getting the drinks ready. We bought Easter eggs for his whole family, his siblings, and his mom and dad. So obviously for the kids, the 28, 19, and 23-year-olds, we have Cadbury white Oreo eggs. Then we have some Maltesers white truffle for the mom, and obviously for the dad we have some After 8 egg. Me and Patrick bought ourselves some Twix white chocolate eggs. The bartender here.
Mixologist, my new role.
You're just a blessing.
Hello everybody, it's been like a week since Easter has passed, and to be honest with you, we could have vlogged while we were just at home. But today is day 2 of outside being kind of open. So me and Patrick just got ready and we are heading to the shops because I have not seen a clothing store from the inside since December. I wish I was lying to you, but once again, I'm waiting for Patrick. The public want to know, why do I always have to wait for you before we go out?
Why do you always pretend like you're waiting for me? This is the bit.
Guys, you are my witness. Guys, we're finally in the car and it's April and look how we're dressed. It's not that warm. What I actually wanted to say is that, you know, I know it's all for the environment and everything, but who's also sad about the fact that Capri Sun now has paper straws that are soggy after one sip. I'm gonna do a little car karaoke with some throwback jams.
Oh, she said she wants some Luther Vandross, a little Anita, but definitely set this party alright.
My money
right.
I had a dream I could find my way to heaven.
When I woke, I spent that on a necklace.
Listen to this now. Excuse me, is you saying something? I know that for some people Kanye is very controversial, but if you know me, I'm the biggest Kanye West fan. I was front row at his concert in like 2007, dressed up with the funniest deco. If I find a picture, I might edit to this. You're gonna cry.
Who's hot, who not? Tell me who rock, who sell out in the stores.
In your face, open your mouth, give you a taste. Hello, ain't no stopping me. Hey. We're in the shops wearing our masks. It's quite busy, to be honest, isn't it?
Okay guys, as you can see, we're on road. I think we forgot how to shop in real life.
I want to go to West Elm to look for some interior stuff after this.
She just walks around and acts like she doesn't know what's going on in the shops. And I'm just standing there like, okay.
JD, there's JD.
Okay guys, you know what's up.
We getting our favorite bubble tea now. My favorite combo here is strawberry royalty tea. I was so excited to show you the strawberry tea, and my luck sold out, so I'm trying the grapefruit tea today. Grapefruit tea. I love grapefruit, so let's see if I like it as well.
Guys.
I found this blazer I really like.
Big drip, top blazer.
And this shirt.
Jack Moose inspired. The shop in general is back, boy.
Stop it.
She's back.
Guys, it's only been like 3 hours and we've already had enough. We're so exhausted. We're going home. I did find some cute bits at Zara, which I'm going to show you in a separate spring haul. I quickly ran into our Tesco. I had to get me more of the little moons. I've only tried the passion fruit and mango so far, So if you are a mochi specialist, just leave a comment and tell me what other flavors I should try out. So guys, we're back in the house and it's time for dinner. Patrick is eating what I made yesterday, and I made an amazing one-pot chicken rice concoction. Yeah, he really enjoyed this dinner. And the days where he doesn't eat with me, I can actually eat things that he wouldn't eat, like cream, cheese, and all of these type of things. I'm so late to the party, but I'm gonna try this feta tomato pasta tonight, but with a twist because I do not trust this feta cheese to be nice. I'm gonna try it with this cream cheese right here, which is garlic and herb. I have my washed tomatoes here. I'm not gonna add the cheese directly into it because I feel like the tomatoes need a bit more. So I'll put a little bit of oil on them, not too much. This is my favorite seasoning, garlic and coriander. I'm gonna put some mixed herbs on them. I'm gonna add some chili powder. I'm sorry about never too much seasoning for me, so I'm gonna add a bit of all-purpose. So here are my tomatoes.
A few moments later.
Okay, I had these in the oven for like 15 minutes. I have the cheese in here now. I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Okay guys, I've added a little bit more seasoning to it and some fresh spinach. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna mix my pasta with it now. This is how it looks now. Yeah, so me and Patrick having dinner. He's eating my one-pot rice. Enjoy. And I'm gonna give you a live reaction. I like them. But you definitely need additional seasoning. It's bussin'. Some crispy prawns or chicken. Tastes like a piano. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. There are some great sneaker releases today. So me and Patrick actually got up very early. Try and get our hands on them. Old school style. Going to the shop early to see if we can get them. Because you know what? The sneakers and the Nikes app, who even wins on there these days? Let me know in the comments if one of you has been lucky as of recent. And Patrick don't even say one word. He's just on his phone.
Hey guys, good morning. Morning guys.
One of us got lucky. I'm gonna show you the shoes. Dunks in a mustard yellow. A must have.
2 hours later.
Time to get my nails done, guys. Been a while. So guys, I'm back in the car and here are my new nails. A green, sage, mint, rainbow.
How you doing, people? So we've come to the end of the vlog. We're about to go to a kids party now. Sherlina's here doing a bit of work, as you can see. From Mel the artist in New York. Sent us some customs. Yeah, and a lot of details on these. I'm into my customs at the moment. I'm ready. She's not.
I am ready.
Normally, she's always acting like it's me that's wasting all the time, but...
So guys, the vlog has come to an end. Hope you have fun watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on all our social media accounts. And then see you guys in my next video. Bye.